What's up guys, Kevin Jones here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 cinematic drone shots that I always try to get in all of my videos. Let's check it out. Alright, so the first shot you're going to want to get is called the reveal. So what you do is you start looking straight down at the ground, you're flying straight toward your subject, and as you get toward your subject, you slowly pull the gimbal up and reveal your subject in frame. A trick to this is you can actually do this in reverse. You can start by looking at your subject, going in reverse, and then as you go backwards, pan the gimbal down, and then in post-production, you can just reverse that and you get the same effect. Sometimes it looks a little bit better if you do it in reverse, as long as you can't tell that the actual footage is being filmed in reverse. Yeah, so try the first one. Let's check out what those look like, and then let's keep going. All right, so the next shot that I always try to get is called the flyover. It's basically when you're flying over something, over a subject, and as you go over it, you're gonna slowly pan and tilt and keep your gimbal focused on your subject as you fly over. So it kind of gives this feeling like you're floating over, but you're still looking at something, and it kind of gives a cool dreamy look. So I always try to do that one. Let's check out what those look like. All right, the last shot that I always try to get is called the triple. I call it the triple because you're actually doing 3 maneuvers at the same time. Okay, what you want to be doing is actually rotating around a subject with keeping that subject in frame, in focus. Then you also want to be changing your elevation, so going up or going down. And then you also want to change your gimbal pitch. So that means actually pulling your gimbal down or pulling it up or even side to side. I think it's very organic looking. It's probably one of the coolest drone shots that you can pull off and the most cinematic looking. Let's check out what those look like and let's keep going. All right, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys next time.